Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a little bit of everything in the forecast with fog tonight, more misty drizzles and periods of rain tomorrow, blustery northwest winds, but it all gets better by Friday afternoon when the sun returns. But in the near term, some issues. And as we take a look at our weather shot, we'd love to say it's all coming up roses, but not in the weather department, not at least in the near term, but some much needed moisture for the beautiful plants that thrive nearly year round across Acadiana. So let's kick it upstairs and see what's going on. We have this upper level low pressure system that's over by northeast Texas, but another disturbance coming down on the backside of this, and that's going to ignite more periods of rain for tomorrow. Not as much rain as we saw today. We saw a half inch, 3/4 of an inch in spots, down to 1/4 of an inch of rain. Tomorrow, less than that, but just nonetheless nuisance showers expected. No thunderstorms this time around for tomorrow. We have seen thunder off to the east. That area of low pressure is east of us, and eventually that jet stream energy that I just showed you is going to dig into this low and make it a potent storm system, and that's why we're going to have breezy northwest winds following tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. More on that in just a bit. Here's the 12-hour loop on the radar. You can see just about everybody got some rain at some point during the day. Cloud to ground lightning really showing up over the southeastern parishes late this afternoon with those storms. New just coming in about 10 minutes ago, a dense fog advisory in effect issued by the National Weather Service through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. It includes all of Acadiana. As we look at current visibilities behind that rain, we did have some partial clearing behind it, so that's why visibilities have dropped down to 3/4 of a mile. Lafayette, Lake Charles, down to a mile, and a few other spots. So that's why that fog advisory has been issued, and it's going to be sporadic overnight tonight. Here's a Futurecast indicating some spots going down as low as 1/10 of a mile. That's at 8 o'clock. Here's 10 o'clock tonight. Key is going to be watching the winds. Until the winds pick up, the threat of some dense fog. Depends on the cloud cover as well, but notice by 3 a.m. the winds begin to pick up in Lafayette. These numbers, temperatures, and dew points are for Lafayette. So then the visibility begins to improve with the exception of some spots off to our north and west. And by tomorrow morning, breezy enough that there won't be a fog issue as you're commuting first thing tomorrow morning. So here's a predictive radar. We're going with this model for right now, showing the rain coming in at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Best rain chances between mid-morning and mid-afternoon, almost like today. Mostly lighter rain though, but still the risk of drizzle, mist, and periods of rain through tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then the wind begins to pick up as these lines right here, these lines of pressure, start packing together. So that means breezy and cool weather moving on in. And notice the gusts. Gusts will be 30, 35, maybe even up to 40, and offshore maybe up to 50 knots. So it's going to be breezy behind the system as well. As for rainfall, we're looking at not much through the next 24 hours, about 1/10 of an inch, maybe up to 1/4 of an inch of rain, just enough to keep it a nuisance. Temperature-wise, this is the other story, getting down into the lower 50s tonight and staying there all day long tomorrow. I got 53 as the projected high for tomorrow, maybe a little bit milder to the west. And then tomorrow night, we see a little bit of a winter chill getting down into the lower 40s, upper 30s to the north, but the wind chill Friday morning in the mid 30s. And then going into Friday afternoon, mostly sunny skies will get us up into the upper 50s. And then maybe a frost come Friday night, Saturday morning. Other story, as we mentioned, that winds for tomorrow. Look at the forecast. These are for sustained winds, sustained at 18 to 22 through a good part of tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So keep that in mind. It's going to be a breezy one indeed and feel much cooler than the lower 50s. So patchy rain and drizzle and mist, some fog. We have that dense fog advisory. Until the winds increase, then the fog won't be an issue. Breezy and cool. Late 51 the low, 53 the high tomorrow. Another dreary day with periods of rain, drizzle, and mist, getting windier by later in the day. Rain chance at 80%, but that doesn't mean it's going to be heavy or rain all day long. It just means it's going to be wet at times. Northwest winds 15 to 25, gusting 30 to 35. Sun comes back out Friday, maybe some morning clouds Friday, but a mostly sunny day for our winter solstice. Chilly start to Saturday, but a mild finish, getting back into the upper 60s, and temperatures look to stay mild as we go toward Christmas with highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Very slight rain chances. Christmas Day 20% or less. And temperatures good enough that the kids can play outdoors most of the time if there aren't too many showers around and about.
All righty. Thank you, Rob.